Tonight, there are new details from the courtroom about a 14-year-old boy from Columbia County accused of planning a mass shooting and a bombing at a mall in Kelso. The boy's attorney saying in court today that an online hate group likely influenced his actions. Fox 12's Ward Jollis listened in. He explains.
At just 14 years old, the suspect in an alleged plot to carry out a mass shooting at the Three Rivers Mall in Kelso appeared nervous and scared as he appeared in Columbia County Court Friday. And while we weren't allowed to record inside, the first bits of evidence in the teen's alleged plot were revealed, including his alleged ties to an online extremist group called 764.
The content was, to me, disturbing.
Fox 12 Investigates first introduced you to what authorities refer to as gore groups last month in a story out of Lake Oswego. They're known for exploiting children to commit acts of violence or self-harm.
A gore group is a group that not only grooms victims, but delights in sexual violence, sexual torture, sexual rape, murder.
The 14-year-old's attorney claimed in court Friday that the boy was actively being exploited by the 764 group online and that they pressured him into committing a mass shooting at the Kelso Mall. But it was all put to a stop before anything could happen because an undercover FBI agent was in the online chat.
I was just shocked and terrified because I go to the mall and tutor 4 days a week with children.
Neighbors in Kelso left shaken after 3 guns, ammunition, and knives were found at the teen's home in Columbia County. Prosecutors claim that evidence alone suggests the teen suspect intended to carry out the attack and justifies the charges against him. But the district attorney's office says that's not the only evidence in this case. In fact, they pointed to another alleged incident just a few months ago in which this teen suspect allegedly sent photos of guns via Snapchat to several of his classmates in school at the time. The judge ultimately decided to keep the teen in custody Friday while a community breathes a sigh of relief over a crisis averted.
I'm super happy that nobody got hurt in the process. That's like a huge relief.
In Columbia County, Ward Jollis, Fox 12 Oregon.
The teen is pleading not guilty to all charges against him. He will be back in court for another hearing on June 20th.